Take a little seat. Prince yourself, exactly. See, if I want to put my hair in curtains, I kind of do it after it's like when it's drying, and then it stays. I mean, it's splitting in the middle, but it's not like they're not properly curtaining. Yeah, if I have my hair like wet and I like brush it in that way, it will stay like it. It's long enough to do it. It would work. Thank you for the follow, man. Thank you. I'm actually going to start being active on there again soon. Ooh. After today, once these festivity things are done, I shall be back on Instagram. Curly? When? So I'm confused. Medium or long hair part in the middle? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Curtains, yes, curtains. No, my hair isn't curly. My hair is relatively straight, natural. Curtains is middle parting. Like if I was to have it split somewhere here, maybe. But I feel like you need them to come down like at the front, like more like that. If I was actually going to say I have curtains, you know what I mean? They have to be like there on either side, but a bit more defined than this. This is just kind of like, yeah. Look like Bieber? No, I don't. Young Justin was like this. Young Justin had hair like all across there. It's my emo haircut. Hey, you guys like My Chemical Romance? My hair goes in all kinds of shapes. Fucking hell. Okay, enough now. Enough of styling my hair. There we go. UK hair is fine. UK hair. Just a generalisation. Just everybody in the UK. EU hair. Oh, best hair EU. Well, not with Brexit. God damn it. Okay. Thanks, Boris. Okay. Right. We're not getting political. Okay. Right, that's all even. Yeah, no politics. We've gone through that phase already. Oh. Already. I mean, the sexuality stuff we talk about all the time anyway. I don't know. I talk about what I want to, really. Then let's go. We do the hamstring working. We need a big range of motion on these. Need that stretch. One more. Move you back a bit. I could sense that was getting in the way a bit. Yeah, that makes sense, Mariani. That makes sense. No, those yeah, straight leg deadlifts. Yes. People always ask me, like, are they Romanian? RDL is more of with a slight bend in the leg. Here in the Twitch preview, which one? Oh, the long one, the long hair. You should buy weights. Give it a go, man. Give it a go. See how you get on. But yeah, you're gonna really want, you know, you're gonna want some resistance exercise if you actually want to start building muscle properly. Always hidden under a hat. Yeah, for the most part, it tends to be. When I had it cut short, I wasn't wearing it as much. But now it's like starting to get a bit unruly, as it's a bit long. It's a bit of a problem. Yeah, all the time. Yeah, I do wear. Well, they're called like dad caps, I think. But yeah, I wear baseball caps all the time. And I got a trucker hat today, actually. So there we go. Thank you, Echelon. I do like my hair. I've taken good care of it. I can say that much. When it gets a bit longer, it kind of starts to kind of flick over this way. You can see it with my beard as well, right? This side just kind of pokes out. Everything kind of goes like swept to this side. It's weird. I don't get it. I don't understand what happened there.